the DJI Air 2S. Not really. It's the DJI Mavic Air 2. As you've known by now, they have dropped the name Mavic and just decided to name this drone the DJI Air 2S. The 15th of April, the Air 2S will be released. Now, I'm going to break this down real easy and real fast for you if you're a hobbyist to help you decide whether this new drone is for you or not really quickly. And you don't have to sit through all the technical specs that this drone comes with, which will be listed in the description section. Just go in the description section, you'll see all the specs. Now, a complete unboxing was done of this video. I'll leave a link to that unboxing where you can see here this gentleman got his, couldn't fly it, which is the typical DJI marketing strategy now. A very small channel will get a hold of this drone, which is pretty cool, not be able to fly it and be able to show us certain things about it, but not everything that we need to know about it. However, there's enough information in there. Go check it out. I'll leave a link to his channel. Drop a sub to him if you can as well. He didn't have to share this information, but that information helps us to make early decision whether this is something for us or not. Now, what are the main changes? What are the main upgrades, the main differences between the Air 2 and the Air 2S? This drone has a claimed 34 minutes of flight time. The Air 2S has a claimed 31 minutes of flight time. So you do lose flight time. Why? Because the drone is 25 grams heavier and it works with the same battery, and it has what seems like extra sensors at the top to do more work, and that takes more battery life. So you will have less flight time with this new drone. However, what you will have is a better camera. Now, when it comes to a hobbyist, you probably don't care much about the specs and what can I do, because you probably haven't been color grading much with this. You probably haven't been doing much professional work with this. You're just having fun, taking some pictures, taking some videos, sharing it on Facebook, YouTube, and stuff like that. So you're probably not too concerned about all of these crazy features that the camera carries. But what this camera allows you to do is fly at night. Yes, you can fly at night with this, but the sensor is so tiny in this camera that, let's just say, I would never fly this at night. From the time the sun sets, I would never fly this at night. Now you're saying I'm probably not allowed to fly at night, right? Well, things have changed somewhat. A few days ago, the FAA has allowed guys like me, 107 operators, they have allowed them to take what's called an online test, where you can study online, take a test, and get your 107 renewed. And in addition, it allows 107 operators like myself and all the other YouTubers out there to fly at night legally. So that means now we can share night footage with you. And if you've never experienced flying at night, it's one of the most joyous things out there. So now it's so simple, it's so easy for guys like us to go out and fly at night, and better yet, share information and tips and strategies and footage with you guys. So now eventually it's only a matter of time before you see how cool it is to fly at night with the Air 2S. As a hobbyist, if you ever dreamed of flying at night, all you need to do is strap on one of those strobe lights and you're good to go. So the Air 2S will now be, for me, my most used drone, because now I will be able to take this virtually anywhere I travel and fly in the day or in the night without having to stress or think about carrying two drones, or which drone do I carry? Am I going to be flying in the day? Will night catch me out there? How will I feel if I take the Air 2 and I don't take something like the Mavic 2 Pro, which can fly at night, and now I'm carrying two drones? Now I've got a lot of weight. I've got two sets of batteries. I've got, two sets of controllers if you don't have the smart controller. Okay, what if I take this and then night falls and there's some beautiful footage and I don't have this? See where I'm going with this? Now, let's make this quite clear. As capable as the camera is going to be for hobbyists, for professionals, it will have some limitations. DJI is known for not killing their professional lineups. And as a result, they will leave some features out of the Air 2 to protect this bad boy right here, which is the Mavic 2 Pro, right? But what they've been finding is that this has not been selling a lot because it's been out since 2018. And people want something new. They always want the latest and the greatest. And they want something smaller and they want something lighter. So you'll get that. And you'll save money in the Air 2S, as opposed to buying the Mavic 2 Pro, which is older and costs more because it has a lot more features that you probably will never use unless you're a professional. This is a full-fledged pro drone as well. This is even newer than the Mavic 2 Pro and has even much better camera with much more features, things like always on side sensors and stuff like that, which is really cool. But this drone is also really expensive. So if you want to experience flying at night on a portable compact platform, this was your only alternative, or this was your only alternative. Other than that, you would need something big and heavy and bulky and costly. Well, not anymore. The Air 2S is scheduled to come in under $1,000, and if you already have the Air 2, the same batteries will work. It looks like it comes with the same controller. The leak has not specified if the smart controller will work, because the person who got this drone in their hands, it's their first drone. They don't know much about drones. They don't know much about compatibility, and they're not able to give us information like, will it bind to the new smart controller? So hopefully yes, but we don't know for a fact until this drone releases on April 15th. So yes, I will be comparing it to these two bad boys, the 2 Pro and the Evo 2 Pro as well, so you can know exactly what features you will be missing out on, so you can make a decision whether it's worth investing in the Air 2S or spending a little extra money and getting a 2 Pro, or going and get the Evo 2 Pro. We don't know for sure if it will work with the new DJI goggles that came out in the DJI FPV drone. We don't know for sure if the motion controller that came out with the DJI FPV drone as well, we don't know if that will work with the new Air 2S. There's rumors going around it will not. There'll be a FPV mode. We don't know about those things as a fact. It will have the ADS-B, of course, the receiver that picks up if there are any planes or helicopters around that is transmitting a signal. Extra sensors that come on the top, we'll just have to wait to see what that's about. All those sensors will not help you at night. Sensors don't work at night, be it DJI, Autel, or any one of the other drone manufacturers. The technology is just not there to sense things in the night. The camera will have a fixed aperture. A fixed aperture means you will not be able to open that leaf-like hole that allows or restricts light from entering the drone. Is it a big deal? No, this has a fixed aperture and most people don't complain. Also, this is what helps to keep the cost down and make this new 1-inch sensor drone affordable. Also worth mentioning is 10-bit color in the camera. I really did not expect that at all. So that to me is most exciting, not because we can see the colors, we can't, but it allows me to color grade and really push the colors without the colors falling apart. So looking for something small, light, compact that you could travel with, film day and night, the Air 2S will be the sweet spot. Do all the fun stuff, hit thumbs up, make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed already to see all the comparisons, all the test videos when the new Air 2S drops. With that being said, I will catch you guys whenever I can. Make sure you become a Patreon, guys. Big benefits to Patreon. Get direct access to me. Any questions? I'm right here on Patreon. Support this channel and there's benefits. Last Mini 2 went all the way to the UK.